Welcome everyone. Okay, so let me just get something sorted here. Okay, let's do this. Get this all running. Just need to update the trades. Where is it? There it is. Update this. Update this. Okay. So welcome everyone to the final couple days. Put that maybe a little bit less loud. Okay, sick. Let me just put this here. There we go. Put that here. Morning Stop Loss fam. Morning everyone. Hope you had a good World Cup last night. Wow, what a game. What a game. My days. Okay, so is everything, yeah, it's working. Okay. Well, I like the percentage gain away is way clearer and more transparent than the wins. 100%. I like too. Okay, so let's get into this. Let's just take a look at the news before. Let's just take a look at the news. So today we're actually not too bad, right? Not much news there, which is good. Makes things easier to trade. So yeah, we're actually not too bad on news this morning, which is great. So let's go through Goldie first. Oh, I'm still tired for this weekend, man. It was a busy weekend. So daily time frame. You can see that we've made a little bit of a consolidation range from 1812 to 1770. Right now, the daily time frame has made a little top wick. Now it's a little bit bearish, but hasn't really done much yet, which is okay. Asian really didn't do anything. The last 4 hour time frame closed bearish. Solidly bearish. This here. Yeah, last one closed bearish. Potentially making a little bit of a head and shoulders. Clean candles below. Okay, so prices move quite quickly below them areas. To look at the hourly time frame. Start to see some levels. So right here on the hourly, you can see that there is a support at 1790, which is held here as well. Below that is actually quite a big 30 pip zone to 1787, which actually isn't too bad, to be honest with you. 35 pips, so a bit to potentially a closure in that zone would be okay. To continue down. The second thing is, let's take a look at the hourly again. Yeah, I'm just trying to think, right? So when the hourly came down before, we pushed down very nicely. When it came back up, it pushed nicely. It's just the rejection wicks here a little bit on the side, but I still think you could easily get some pips out of this zone. In this area, back down to that little order block down here. So this is an area of interest I like. Area of interest. Here we go. Okay, in terms of above, right? So for me, 1796, yeah, 1795, all this kind of area. Wow. I think above 1795.5 there, we have got a clean ass zone. Every single time we push up pretty hard to at least 1800. So, yeah, probably around here, 1802. I think is going to be a really, really nice place to take some positions off, and that's, you know, a 60 pip zone. So that's pretty good. Max, do you think that your astrological sign has an impact on the type of trader you are? I don't think so. No. I think your personality does. Yeah, this is also an area of interest, right? Pretty simple stuff. Clean zone. So that's the zone that I really want to target, to be honest with you. That'll be the game changer, because it'd be the 4 hour coming above. It'd be nice. The hourly time frame is breaking above, but you know, the 4 hour did close bearish, right? Has made a top wick, so if it does want to flip and come in this area as well, I think sells it could be nice as well. So pretty simple on Goldie. So actually, yeah, I'm not gonna write the thing on the side here where it says buys above, sells below. I'm just gonna do area of interest. Makes it easier. A little bit less stuff on the chart as well. Yeah, I don't think your astrological sign has any effect. You watched the World Cup yesterday, then, man. It was some good shit. I was very surprised that France kept coming back, man. Holy shit. That was pretty mad. So yeah, we'll take a look at GJ as well, but gold, that's what I'm looking at right now. Let's take a look if there's a 5-minute trend line. So there was a 5-minute trend line earlier on in the day. It was not the cleanest, but it's probably this one now, to be honest with you. 2 touch. Let's see if there's actually one further below. Just further above, sorry. Yeah, not really. But yeah, I think we'll get at least one trade there for gold today. Either above or below would be good. I told you Argentina would win. Yeah. Are you not taking a break this month from trading? No, I am. I finish on the 22nd, so 21st is the last day. So we've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then yeah, we'll do a little break for the Christmas, and then we'll be back to it. Okay, so daily time frame on GJ. What the fuck? It's gapped quite a lot. Let me take a look at my broker. Where the fuck? Yeah, it's gapped. Holy shit. Interesting. So that is the daily flip, I suppose, there, but it's a big gap to 165. Yeah, I think that Argentina goalkeeper is pretty good, man. He's good at putting them off. He's sick at fucking pens. What's this? Lol. Ryan Gilpin. I've never heard of him. He says it's true. Oh my god. These people, man. Okay, so the daily time frame, yeah, it's making the top wick right now. 4 hour time is breaking the low of the previous. Hourly time frame, looking a little bit slower. The candles are quite small. 30 minute and 15 minute. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing much really going on here, to be honest with you, on GJ. I feel there's a resistance / support here at 166,360, and I think above there would be nice. This would be a clean zone all the way to 827, and then maybe further to 167. So for me, this is going to be quite nice for a little area. %, and I do think for sells, let's take a look then. Let's take a look to the left just to see what we're dealing with. Yeah, There's a lot of areas that I reject because I don't really like the sells, to be honest. Just look at the daily. Yeah, it's right at daily support, so I'm probably gonna leave the sells here. Only look for the buys later on. We'll take a look at EJ as well, but I think looking good there. Yeah, Goldie's really respecting 1790, which is nice. Kylian Mbappe is his future still. Yeah, he's rapid. He loves them goals where he's like, oh, to the left of the goal, swings it in. Yeah, he's pretty good. To be fair, France already... They won it last time, didn't they? So it's kind of like, give me a break. Soccer is not the future, it's for clowns. There's some tackles in there, but a lot of people also realize that if you play rugby, you know, you can take quite a lot of blows before you go down. But the only reason is because if they're hitting you from like your chest area and stuff, you can obviously stay up. But if they tackle your legs, you're fucking falling down. Like if you, obviously in football, it's not in rugby. Sorry, it's it's the arms that are grabbing, the legs. Whereas in football, it's just you fucking twatting the ankles. If you twat someone's ankle and they're running full pelt, of course they're going on the ground. Italy won last time. No, they didn't. Did they? No, that was the Euros. Yeah, the World Cup. France won. Do you know why he said football is the least talented sport in the world? Yeah, he's fucking 100% wrong. Let's take a look then. World Cup distance statistic. See how far they ran in that game. Oh. Whoa, this is each player's statistic. That's sick. Okay then, so this is just another game. This is that's 2010, Jesus Christ. I swear they run like 13 kilometers. I think give them 12 or 13 kilometers is a normal one. But obviously in the World Cup now they've extended it. There's so much more game time. It's sick. I like. I want to see I show speed there again. What about EJ? Yeah, let's take a look at EJ. Right, let's take a look. Well, let me put the watermark back on. Sorry. So yeah, looking on the daily time frame, like we are still kind of pretty bullish, right? We seem to be still stepping up, It really needs to break the high though. Looking like now we are in this consolidation range here. So let's take a look at the lower time frames because the daily doesn't really tell us anything. EJ also had quite a big gap, okay? Quite a big gap too. This on. Hour time frame here as well. This there. But yeah, I think a lot of people have finished trading now really this week. But we'll finish the last couple of days out. When it gets 22nd, I go to Ireland, so that's probably the best time to stop it. So yeah, I mean, let's take a look then. So the hourly time frame, this one's actually closed bullish above Asian as well. 30-minute time frames about to close. There is a resistance very, very close at 144,800. So realistically here, if I look at like the 15 and the 30-minute, yeah, it's probably going to be a level that I'm going to wait for a little bit higher up for us. So if I just look at the 15, yeah, it's probably going to be above here, right? 145,260. You can get an easy trade to 145,250 at least. And then maybe to come to that little order block up there. Yep. Easy stuff. In terms of sells, yeah, I don't like sells again. Same with GJ. Because the zone to the left hand side, if you just take a look at it, there's, if I draw current support, which is probably there, it's kind of confusing with the daily gap as well. But there's support right there, and then kind of ranging bad price action below. So it's best to leave that alone. American games suck. Yeah, man. Just a little bit. So yeah, waiting patiently, looking like Goldie is holding some support, which is good. Hourly timer has made the low wick now. 30 minutes pushing, 15 minutes making a little celery play, which is nice. That's quite a nice celery actually. Seeing the zone's a little bit shit, but yeah, you might be able to get a 1-to-1. Only issue is like it looks a little bit on the 30. That could be head and shoulders. But look at this rejection wick from the Asian lows. Reflipped. It's just this could be a little bit of this. Head and shoulders. GJ 4-hour celery. Let's take a look. Yeah, take a look at the hourly time frame. 30-minute 15. Yeah, it's right at support right now. With the news coming out of UK, the GBP should be trash, to be honest. Yeah. Do you mean this news at 11? Industrial order expectations? Yeah, -10. Nasty. So yeah, I'm really looking for these buys, to be honest. This could be some nice buys. With it, wait, what's the NHS coming out? Oh, like the strikes. Yeah. Yeah, the strikes. So yeah, I've been let's take a look actually where it is. But in the weekend I went over. Did I do March? Yeah, no, I didn't think I did April. Yeah, I did April. Let's take a look. Yeah, so what I did was I went through the whole of April. I only went to the 18th. Yeah. But I only focused on gold. I didn't look at GG at all, and I literally, when I found a trade and the one that I would run, I just held the stops and held until TP, until I got to like obviously a huge amount of profit. And a lot of them I just closed full at the next zone. Basically what Raja does, if you look at Raja, like he will just hold it to the next level if it's really obviously there. And obviously you can see some of the gains like huge. So just getting all that ready. And if you look here, so we had 2 on the 5-minute time frame. There's 1 trend line, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 1 black TED, and then there was 2 black TEDs. Yeah, 2 black TEDs, both worked out. 4 breakouts, which is the main ones. A fake out, which is nice. And then 1 OB as well. And I'm pretty sure the OB... Where's the fucking OB at? Yeah, the OB was an absolute stinker. 24 pip stop, 100 pip gain. So, yeah, getting that all ready for next year. But really going to be focused on holding gold more. For example, like in the sims that I've been doing, like, you know, if I got a trade above here, closure above, I just hold it until we get to that level. Because realistically, it's going to get there. As long as you don't close back in the zone. And as long as, you know, my stops are like, maybe let's see 20 pips. If I get up to like 20 pips, then I will go break even, right? But I'll hold it to the high. And it seems to work pretty well. So yeah, getting that already. And obviously next year is going to be proper good with all of the updated stuff. So you can see the percentage gain, you can see everything. 30-minute time frame, retests, OBs, everything. So that's pretty cool. If gold break, wait, fuck's sake, gold please. 1794 this time before dropping. Why, are you in a buy? Yeah, it's not out of that zone yet, right? Just be patient. You shouldn't be in it, and you know this should be the no trade zone really. There was a 5-minute trend line. Let's just go through that because you might have been able to take it in the morning. Oh my god. Yeah, 1 touch, 2 touch. Yeah, you could have probably done that. Only issue is that kind of closed back below, but held it to the long one, it would have been fine. Ooh, GJ, come to Papa. Let's take a look. So breaking the support now. Yeah. Yeah, you got about 40 pips to get to at least the daily flip. That's where the support is, so that's not bad. For me, I just don't really like the daily sells at all, to be honest. You might be able to squeeze it out though. Yeah, I feel like that's support. Because the Asian lows as well. But below there, you might be able to squeeze some out of it. So obviously coming towards the end of the year, time for another withdrawal. So that'll be a good thing to do. I think towards maybe, I might even do it in January. I might just do what Rajat did and do a $5,000 account. Then you can see MetaTrader and all that kind of stuff. Instead of my beefy one. That'd be quite cool. We'll see. So yeah, still holding that resistance a little bit, so that's fine. I got time to burn, but when we get above 1795, oh, we're going. And if you really look to the left, like yeah, every single time it came up, we've got such nice candles. To be honest with you, this is only a little bit of support. Every single time it's pushed up and down, it's realistically got like all the way up to 1810. So the zone is huge. The zone is huge. Let's take a look. Is there any more streamers on this morning? Gold live signals. 179 people watching. Wow, you must have some. Is that just with the? Wait, what? Does he actually do any trades, or like does he just have this fucking algorithm on? Madness. Maxo's stuffy nose copy without. Nah, I just got a stuffy nose. I always do, man. It's a pain in the ass. But that's the whole year, really. I was ill yesterday, man. I was dying. Yesterday. So much so that I couldn't do the weekly outlook. I'm gonna do it today. And the trade reviews, I was fucking in bed. I was like, I can't get enough of this shit. What was I about to say? So yeah, man, 7:37. It was still chilling. I might go make myself a coffee in a sec. But yeah, the zones are marked up pretty easily. But yeah, for the group, I'm gonna go through each month, and put the sim on of like what we take and stuff like that. I think that'll be good, so you can go through the months, because obviously this whole year, especially the amount of changes that we went through, like the different trades to get into. You know, we went from breakouts, fake outs, onions to breakouts, fake outs, onions, black TEDs, OBs, M's, W's. OBs haven't really been solidly put in yet, but you know, when one comes up, It's good, but I think probably by February we'll get that up and running because it's pretty obvious which ones to take now. It's just market structure, you know. Like, look at this. Let's take a look right with this EJ one, right? So, what time is that at? Yeah, 2:30. Might be with a little bit of news, but anyway. To be fair, there's actually quite a lot up here. Shit, another one up there as well. But anyway, let's just go through it, right? So, this is the candle before the break. So the whole OB area is there, right? Now let's see if it makes sense with price action, right? So we had a high. So price is coming down, makes top wick come down, makes top wick come down. So realistically at the moment, yeah, if this continues back up, it's still continuing the trend and we still aren't breaking the high the previous. So yeah, that one will still work. The difference for me is that if it broke this one and then you have an OB up there as well, this one here, I wouldn't take that one because now you're changing structure from bullish to bearish because you're breaking the high the previous. So realistically this should make a support and then continue. So it's just what price action is. Every single one that's the easiest to find is when it just continues it. There's been some lovely ones with gold recently. Like last week, I think we took gold sells, and then literally the second after there's an OB, which is where we took profit, and then you can take the buys back up. It was nice. Very nice. 29 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream. Yeah, see if GJ gets the sells and EJ gets the buys. Or the sells, to be honest with you. Both of them are good. Max isn't just the goat, he's the goat cheese pizza. I bet fucking Ronaldo's pissed that Messi got that, because now he's got something on him now. To be fair, he had most things on him anyway, but he'd be fuming. I wonder how many people watched it actually. So Elon Musk was there, just vibing. He's got such a weird, like, fucking frame. Like, the way he wears his t-shirts and stuff. He just looks like a fucking granddad. Yeah, Qatar. That's what I'm going to do next year. Maybe not next year because I've got too many holidays. I definitely want to go back to Dubai or Qatar. I want to go to the Middle East again. And go over there. I love it. I love it. Yeah, you can see people are just chilling out, ready for the Christmas time. Elon gets more screwed than Oak Tree got 9 kids. What? Tupperware? I have no idea. You have to look around. You have to put them somewhere. Under the sink? I don't know. Di Maria played awesome yesterday. Yeah, he did. How old is he as well? He's getting on. He's been playing for years. He's been playing for time now. He's been playing for time. Actually, yeah. When does the Premier League come back? I think it's next week, isn't it? Here we go. This is when the proper football's back. This is when the proper football's back. Oh, actually, I saw that Man City. Did Man City play a couple of days ago, like a friendly? Man City Girona. I wanna look at the goals. I think I saw it and I was like, ooh, Man City. Who the fuck is Girona? It's like a little team. De Bruyne. That was pretty shit play. I'm not gonna lie. Girora there. God dang. Bro, they already scored 2. Fucking hell. Oh. Ah, yes. Haaland and De Bruyne. You gonna stream all week? No, just until Wednesday. I'll do Wednesday and then I'm done. Yeah. What's your bias in gold? My bias in gold, to be honest with you, is kind of. I wouldn't say there was any bias, to be honest with you, because we're just in a certain area from here to here. Obviously, in terms of actual structure from the downside, we're coming from the downside, right? So we are bullish. But right now, in terms of like today, I don't know, because the 4 hours closed strongly bearish, did engulf the previous candle. So I'll probably know a bit more after this next 4 hour closes. But in terms of now, you know, I'm happy at going up or down, to be honest with you. 1795 above or 1790. But realistically, I mean, if you look at the daily time frame closing bullish. Yeah, I mean, it's still bullish, right? It's still bullish. Take a look at the weekly. Weeklies did close bearish, so yeah, I think it's just a mixed bag of results here on Goldie. In terms of this week on news, see if there's anything. Oh, there's not much news this week. This is nice. Nice. So yeah, and when will I be back? I don't know. I think somewhere in the January, somewhere in the start of January, like January, I don't know, the 6th or something. I have to see. But I might be trading before then, just not streaming. How do you normally spend Christmas time? Not only with the family, but I'm going to Caitlin's now, so it's going to be a bit different this year. And then going back for New Year's to see some of the old friends and stuff. But yeah, I'm not really seeing the family this year, to be honest. But hey ho, they're all on holiday at the moment anyway, so. They're in Tenerife. God, I was there last year as well. God, time flies for me. I was in there, boy. Yeah, I can't wait for a nice little Christmas. To be honest with you now, I actually want to start making my own Christmas dinners now, because I just know I can do it better than the other people. I'm going to make some fire roasties. Fire roasties. With the goose fat and all that kind of stuff. Hell yeah. I made them actually last year at uni and they were banging. They're very nice. So looking like GJ's just tapped the zone a little bit. But we're still early on, right? It's still 7:46. Still 7:46. I think a good target today is at least 1800, right? Because 1800 psychological level is actually at that resistance as well, so it looks very nice. Tell you what though, I think if England were at the final there, I think we would have won easily. France played absolutely shocking last night, and they played shit when they were with us. They were just lucky with 2 goals and the fucking biased ref. Such a biased ref, boy. So Roger was doing his little boot camp in Dubai. He's liking this car like I knew you would. You always used to slag off the supercars. And oh, bro, you just don't get it. Wait until you get one. The shit's fun. So still actually in this quarter as well, yeah. October was a good, there was not many break-evens, but just November and December, so many break-evens. Yeah, I'm coming on 9 break-evens. Which is a little bit mad. I'd say like 2 of them would have been avoided if I just didn't go break-even yet, maybe a bit too early, but yeah. September actually wasn't that many either. Yeah, it'd be good to see all the percentages. Now we'll have like the whole. When you have like the yearly stats, you can see everything. Right, you'll be able to see all of the trades taken, and now we can actually go through like the win rates before we go in to the trade, which is good. So that'd be pretty nice. Also, another thing, when I was backtesting before, the amount of times, and I shit you not, I just did April, right? The amount of bloody times gold would close above my zone or below a zone and ready to take a trade, and it would run off at the first second was astronomical. I shit you not, I mean, like, literally, I'd say about 5 times out of like 6, they didn't make a top wick. So I think I'm just going to trigger straight away. I'm going to do a couple more months with that, but with the back testing. But like, for example, right, so what I'd normally wait for is a lower wick, just so I don't get faked out, really. But realistically, all I really need here is a closure. So let's just say a candle closed above here. What would happen on the sim is it closes above, I go, right, okay, let's just wait now for the next candle to make a lower wick and then flip. And literally, it would just do this at the start, guys. Continue straight away. So you just got to take the fucking buy with stop loss below. Because that actually happened. That happened on Friday, didn't it? I think it happened here. Wait, where was it? Yeah, there. This closure below. I just wanted to make a little bit more of a top wick and then take the flip. Because stop loss is quite big. And it just fucking ran straight away. So yeah, that's true. Well, it is confirmation though, isn't it, right? Everything's confirmation if it's a closure. It's just how big the top wick is and how much drawdown you want to take. But realistically, as long as it doesn't break the high, which it shouldn't, especially with a strong closure, just get in, you know? Yeah, I think on that thing, like, there's a good 6 of them that I just couldn't get into. They just ran straight away. Used to break even. Wait, what? Right, so Goldie's coming up now, broken that level, which is nice. 15 little doji breaking the high. See how it reacts now, because look, right now we'll just touch the body of the 4-hour candle. So that could be interesting, right? Still not there yet. 7:51, we've got 9 minutes left to wait for these candles to close. I'm going to quickly go get a coffee, and then we'll be ready for London Open. For 2 minutes, guys. little bit slow this morning, isn't it? A little bit. How has it moved up from that low? Still 40 pips, I suppose. Just touched 1794, which is the high of that little shoulder. Interesting. Interesting. Where would the target be as well for this level? This is the candle before the break of structure, so probably 1788. If it came down. My God. What's a black Ted? Black Ted's the 5-minute trend line. Looks like this. I'm pretty sure I did a video on it here. Oh, fuck. Let me explain it. Yeah, 5-minute trend line rules. With our 5-minute trend line rule, has closed above its current resistance. So yeah, make sure to go look at that. Talks about it all. What for London session? Wait, what? Bless you, thank you. What's for London session, mate? I don't know yet. We're waiting patiently. Nothing really much looking like on GJ. Goldie's the one I'm really eyeing up, to be honest with you. And it'll happen sooner or later, I'm assuming. Yeah. But yeah, the Black Ted overall, I mean, it's a great way, especially to get in, like, on the lower time frames in the 5 minutes. The bankers have gone on holiday after Fed rates, yeah. Looks like it, eh? Much slower. Much slower. EJ as well holding the Asian high. So yeah, it's just a waiting game. Just a waiting game. In terms of January though, I think we'll we'll smash them out. Obviously this time will be hopefully a little bit easier in terms of the war not fucking screwing things over. That was mad last year, man. Tell you that. The first bit of the year was madness. You get into your charts and like gold would have moved a 5-minute candle like over like 100 pips there. Oh my God. And at the start of last year I only used like a fixed lot, which I was so used to, because of the stops, but now, even now, I try and finding like a 10 pip stop on anything. It's not there. So, how long will you break even for before you turn profitable? To be honest with you, for me, it didn't actually change like forever. It didn't take a long time to get from break even to profitable because all I had to do was just look at the trades that weren't working out for my break evens, and then just getting rid of them. That's pretty much what I did. But then also, it's just about the runners as well. I think runners this year have been actually quite hard to get in terms of just continuation, but that's mainly because of just getting in at harder times. But yeah, I mean, to get to break even, that shit took me fucking years. That's like 2 years, 2.5, and then profitable maybe like 6 months, because you can just really hone in on it now. If you break even, then you don't have to worry about losing loads of money. You just gotta focus on managing. To be honest with you, managing risk recently has been fucking hard because the candles obviously are quite big, 50 minutes, and normally you'd manage risk if the 15 closed against you, and my God, these candles just run. So managing risk has been quite hard. I'm going to do a bit more of that next year in terms of just cutting. See you later, honey. Love you. Yeah, Kane doesn't want to go to work either today. Dying, I think, a bit. So yeah, looking like Goldie is still holding this resistance. Or maybe head and shoulders. If we get then a candle closure below here, it'll be beautiful for our trade. EJ may look better than GJ. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't think it does at all. For me, I just look straight at the 30 in the hourlies, and if there's anything there that tickles my picker, I'll see it. If not, it's just there's just no point. What trades did you get rid of? The impulsive trades. Yeah, the impulsive trades. The only time I do an impulsive trade now is if it's got the higher time frames, because we know it works very, very well. So, for example, right? Let's say that Goldie is like playing around here. The only time I'll ever take a buy, like maybe the break at that high, is if that it's breaking the 4-hour previous highs, the hourly previous highs, the daily previous highs. If it has that kind of structure where it's breaking all of them at the same time, then you get a drive. Whereas now impulses, I just don't even bother. The other thing that I've also taken out is just buying the highs, like buying a high, like there's just no point. So for example, like, I'm trying to think of, yeah, like up here, like, so if we were trading up here, I would not even take, so can you see that this candle closed above? You could have taken that trade and got smacked. I just don't take buying at the highs now. All I do is wait and go, right, we're breaking a resistance, great stuff, this is the high, there's nothing here to decide what's, you know, if it's going to be an issue. All I'm going to do is wait for price to push up, make some support, and then I take the buy back up. It's just so much easier, it's so much safer, and the amount of L's I've taken if I'm just trying to take the buys, because what happens is you can take a buy, and obviously, like, yeah, it's going to push. You get into like 3 pips profit, then it finds resistance. And when it finds resistance, that thing dumps. That thing, like, fucking dumps. You know, you can lose 15, 20 pips pretty quickly. So there's not even point of scraping your 10 pips. Like, there's just no point. So GJ closed bullish on the 15, 30 minutes pushing up. Nice. 4 hours flipping. Nearly. And Goldie's still chilling. So yeah, I've got 15 minutes left. I think we'll probably get maybe a closure by then, and then we'll be good, right? 2 minutes, just gonna quickly get our vape and stuff. 1 second. So yeah, I think that's one of the main things I'd tell people. Just if it's looking like it's breaking a high from the recent price, like for example this one, you know, you could well, Max, this is breaking high, but you know it's not the high of the whole zone, right? This is the high of the whole zone, like up here. Because the amount of times that when I was younger, I'd try and take the buys, and I'd get like 3 break-evens, then I'd take an L, and then like after the 4th go or 5th go, it finally pushes, but it's normally at like fucking 3:30 in the afternoon. It's like, it's just not even worth it. Just wait for it to break, and then get the support forming. Because it just makes life so much easier. Yeah, so like let's just do an example, right? So let's say that this is resistance here. And people are looking at buys here. Can you see that? Look, this candle just closed above. You might have just got slapped there. Okay, then now price pushes. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Price comes down. Close your bullish. Great, take the buy, break at the high. Stop loss below. Obviously, there's no lower wick, but anyway, you know, that's the whole thing, right? So much easier to wait for the support formings. Then look again, price comes up, price comes down, makes some support, closes bullish, next candle pushes. So it's just much easier to get your trade like that than it is scraping to try and get the buy. So much easier. The waiting and being patient is the hardest part because it's so boring. Yeah, just keep your mind off it though. Like once you start like, I used to watch Raja take impulse trades and have a lot of success, yet when I attempted them, it didn't work. Yeah, Raja is an absolute G at impulses, I'm telling you. The one thing that he takes them is if the zone above is clean, like really clean. Nah, but the hardest, I wouldn't say it's just December. If you struggle to just sit there and not do anything, then yeah, trading's not for you, man. Because a lot of it is just a waiting game. You just gotta wait. %, yeah. Yeah, he does have some strict rules. But if you look at every single one that's successful, man, the zone to the left is clean as fuck. But yeah, I think for like that whole boredom thing, you know, go on a stream. This is why I always say we should do some fun games. Next year I'm gonna do like loads of games that we could play and stuff because yeah, a lot of it is just waiting, right? Will you buy smart Raja concepts from Raja? No, I won't, but okay, it'll be great for other people. Yeah, GJ's still not really doing much yet. Goldie's still getting there. Uncle Ted also said you have to be comfortable with sitting alone for 5 hours when nothing happens. Yeah, I mean, if I was just trading by myself, like if I didn't have all this going on, I would literally, in this case here, and this is what I did when I was on Fundamental Talent and I was just chilling. I'd have these areas here, I'd have an alert there and an alert there, and I'll just fucking play card and just fucking have a wank or something like that. Like, just chill out and wait until it comes. There's no point staring at it because what can happen is you might try and get in early. If you just have alerts there and you get pinged, then you're good. And then actually trading really isn't a large part of your day. Like it really isn't. Ted does it all the time. This used to come on streams. Oh yeah, my alert just went off. Looking at this gold trade now. Like once you know what to do and you know the zones, just fucking don't even look at the charts. Just mark the zones, find the areas you want, have an alert on. When you get beefed from your alert, come from watching your TV or doing the house chores or making food. Take the trade and then get on with your day. It shouldn't be a long process. I used to pay COD to pass time. Now Warzone sucks, so I have to find something new. Is it really bad? Why is it bad? You just get the normal card. The normal card's fun. That's what we were gonna do. I think Tommy and them actually. Yeah, we're gonna do some Warzone. We need to start trading group culture like rock stars, so hot chicks will hang all over a while we wait for trade setups. You die too fast. Ah, you just gotta get with it, man. I run around COD all the time, mate. I love it. Do love a bit of COD. Licard. So 4 minutes left or so for the 15 to close. There's still no low wick on the hourly yet, but quite frankly, to be honest with you now, well, now we'll see. I'm gonna write a little PDF thing and I'll put it out in January before we start off all the things that I'm just gonna add. I don't give a fuck about lower wicks really. If there's enough volume, it's just gonna go. I actually saw on one of Raj's recaps from his accounts. He took like fucking 3 trades and all had no lower wicks, and they just ran. So getting the data for that. Oh shit! And that was still fucking leaking. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm still playing Valheim. I really recommend Valheim. The game is such a vibe. You can play with your mates. It's fun. Like it's is it Nordic? What's it called? I'm really bad with words. Right? Valheim set. Like it's got the big tree in it. What kind of mythology is that? Nordic, yeah, that's it. It's a fucking sick game, I'm telling you. It's such a vibe. It's like Minecraft, but 10 times better. There's so much shit to do. There's a little troll. You can build like massive bases, build ships and stuff. There's like a fucking... so much stuff to do. It's well fun. That's a vibey game. Play with the boys and girls. It's just that thing, like using your time wisely, right? Instead of just sitting on the charts while you're trying to take all the trades, just find your zones, wait for them, and do other stuff at the time. Like learn how to touch type, or for me now, I'm learning how to edit. Like I'm just proper going learn how to edit. It's fucking hard, but it's it's getting there. It's just another good skill that you can learn. But yeah, when I try to learn how to edit, I'm not gonna lie, for like the first fucking 3 hours, I wanted to kill myself. Like that shit was nasty. But I made my first one with captions.
You want to go to university depends on your circumstances and also your goals.
So I made like little captions, try to make it like that, which is pretty cool. Oh, hello, Goldie. Hello, Goldie. Right, let's take a look at the 15-minute time frame, right, coming up, which is good to see with this closure. It's actually a little bit higher on the 15. There. So yeah, still might have to wait for this 30, I think. Anyone play RuneScape? I haven't, unfortunately. RuneScape. What game did I used to like playing? Oh, what was it called? It was called, I think it was called Swords and Sandals. It was like just online, like on like a thing, and that game was fucking hilarious. You get like your armor and you go in like the battle royales and stuff, and you kind of just. That was such a fun game. I used to play that shit on the holiday. Roger's got a great trading instincts and intuition, but that only comes from long experience and outstanding success. Yeah. Yeah, and people used to get aggy with him in the New York session, but it's just New York session just a bit shit, like, in terms of the big moves. So yeah, 50-minute didn't really close above, that's fine. I probably won't wait for this 30 anyway. See how it reacts, because obviously it's coming towards the Asian highs, it could reject there right anyway, so I just need a closure above there, and it'll be Gucci in the next 30 minutes or so. Next 30-minute candle, sorry. Ah, here's someone. Who's this? Todd Capital.
To the left-hand side. But in all honesty, I'd rather it now actually close above. And at least that 1.7, yeah, probably above the high, to be honest. 1797, basically.
Where the fuck is he from? What's his accent?
We'll see. 15 minutes left off the current candle.
A cool accent. Do you ever consider to trade footsie? That is the first pair I traded, and I lost so much money on that motherfucker. I had no idea what I was doing. Footsie for me is it moves more. It moves a lot with what's going on. So it kind of waits for some news or someone to speak, and then it runs. Whereas like currencies can fluctuate quite nicely without any news, right? So that's not Todd. Who the fuck was it then? I swear you said Todd on the thing. Who is this?
يعني sel waa wadanka dhan inuu go'o Soomaaliya oo hal mar dhulka la go'o I don't know si kale lacagtiisa ilaa wadamo haduu dagaal gal xitaa sida Soomaaliya still
What language is that? Was it Arabic?
lacagti waa jirtaa so si ay lacagta ku tagi kartaa hadda ma aqaan lacagta.
Yeah, it's Arabic. Somalia. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Todd's not around. People are saying Arabic and then some people are saying Somali. Are they both the same thing? So coming towards the Asian highs. Very interesting. Good results, 15 Ws, yeah. To be honest with you, now when I look at other streamers with their Ws and shit, I don't really care about it apart from... Because a lot of them now have 20, 30 pip stops and they close at 10 pips. It's like, oh, okay, yes, wow, you made 0.3% on the trade, great, well done. But I suppose for the W, for the thing, it looks cool. That's not Arabic, I didn't, yeah, it must be Salam, Messi is the GOAT? Yeah, I think so. I think Ronaldo's been a bit of a pussy recently as well, to be honest. Messi is the GOAT! He's the GOAT! That's why he's the GOAT! I didn't like him for so long as well. I always liked Ronaldo, but... I feel Ronaldo's had a midlife crisis. Yeah, he's just a bit egotistical and a bit like... He's just been a bit of a cunt. Max, aren't you from London? You should know Arabic and Punjabi fluently. I'm from Newcastle. Like the whitest place ever. I had a black guy in my school. I was the only person in my school who was black. Yeah, up north is not really as diverse yet. Max, what's your spread on gold? Ruby has changed over the weekend. Mine are pretty high. Ooh, that's a good point. 0.9. Bradford's quite diverse. Max knows Mandarin. Oh, come on, Goldie, just chill your pants now, boy. The zone's nice. It's very nice. Oh yeah, I put the watermark on. Sorry, brother. I just took it off to take some Instagram pictures. I think. Do 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 do. Some good volume though. Let's take a look at GJ. GJ, yeah, GJ's coming back above to the resistance again. It's not really doing too much really. Same with EJ. Yeah, so the spread on IC markets is still look at gold spreads 0, 9, 7. So yeah, it's not even a pip. GG is not actually bad either today. So how long left for this candle? 8 minutes. That's quite a lot of time. Quite a lot of time. Stop loss will be below previous 15, so like 17.95. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Calm your tits, Goldie. Don't get to 1800 before me. This candle would be nice. Next candle will make a lower wick and then flip break the high. And we should be good. They called me an asshole. Yeah, but I suppose Astro Creep, you need to remember that if you're telling someone what to do, it's not because you're right or wrong, they're just sticking with their plan, right? They might be wrong in that instance, but it's not about the one instance, it's about doing it 1,000 times. So always remember that. Oh, you guys watch that crypto thing? This guy, CoffeeZilla, is so good with this stuff.
I interviewed Sam Bankman-Fried.
Yeah, look at his quality setup. How sick does that setup look?
That he left within minutes, in part because he didn't know he would be interviewed by me. He thought he was being interviewed by someone else on Twitter.
Yeah, he's just done a new Logan Paul one. Oh, 2.7 million in 2 days. Fuck me. I love that streaming coffee. Yeah, he's cool, isn't he?
The punk. So do I.
FX Abdi. Let's take a look. Take a look. You listen to the Senate hearing? Oh god. What a shit show the crypto market is. See, Trump's just put on NFT. Like, bro, you missed that fucking scam boat, bro. Oh, come on. Just relax, Goldie, please. But, what do we always say, right? It's pushing nicely because the zone's clean, so you gotta remember that. But I just wish it'd slow down. Slow down! Right, looks like it's still running. 5 minute time frames, no lower wicks, just continuing bullish. But the zone's clean, man. That's what you get. That's a rocket, yeah. Good volume there, eh? Very nice volume. 40 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream if you haven't already. Final year. It's our final week of the year. Overall, since April, 120%. Sorry, 112% gained. Probably January, February, and March as well. Probably put that another 12 or 13%, I'm pretty sure. So like 125% gain. And that's with just the percentage of 1.4%. So that's not even the compounded one. And Roger took gold impulse celery. Wait, what? Where? Stay humble. Oh, you took this one here? Yeah, I thought that'd be quite a nice one. Just held it on. Very nice. Relax, Goldie. To 1800, it's still like, yeah, it's still 20 pips away, so it's okay. It's okay. Just look at this. So yeah, GG back at 166 as well. Nothing really there. It did reject the lows. Was there a little W maybe? Maybe there. And the 3 minute. Goldie's coming back to pick us up. Pick us up for the ride. $34 pips would be in the break of the high, so to find another way to get in. Another way to get in, hopefully. Ah, what a shame. Coming back below Asian highs. Could be a little soup. Interesting. 30 minutes about to close as well. So it's a big 5-minute bearish candle. Yeah, it's not the best because getting on the flip, yeah, I mean, you have to see how this lower wick is now really, and how it reacts back to that level, because the 30's just closed above. Retesting the reflip is probably the way to do it. Okay, so yeah, right. The 5 minutes are coming down. 30-minute time frame still has closed above. So I think I'm going to get the flip over here, guys. And the break of the previous high, which is here. 1 second. Of the current candle. Let's take a look at the 5s. Yeah. Nice little low wick at the 15. Stops are going to be below the previous 15. Which is how big? 19 pips. Good. I like it making a low wick. It's good stuff. Watch out for breaking if you take it the high. So if it makes the low wick, comes and taps 1795.8, that'll be great. Then the reflip will be good. If it breaks previous 15-minute lows, then I'm going to delete it. And actually, if you get a closure back below, then we're good. Because look at the 30 now, it made the lower wick. It's got a nice wick fill to fill as well. Which is nice. Yeah, I actually want to go target 1800 to be honest. $1,800 and $1,802 would be my targets. If we break that high, we definitely get into 1800. The zone's clean, and then above would be 1802. Can you help me out with this? With what? With what, boy? Obviously only 3 minutes into the candle as well, so it's great. That's making the low wick. And it's got a nice wick fill later on. I pasted the trading chart link. Yeah, you gotta not paste the whole thing. When you press copy chart, then you gotta like post it like this, and then you've gotta like delete all this. And just send me this bit. Like this. Like that. And then you're Gucci. So if this 50-minute time frame closes bearish below, then the sells would be nice. Why? Because the zone below is clean now. Look how clean this is. And it's also swooping the Asian highs. So yeah. May have to come back down to 1795 first, yeah. So we'll see. 30 minutes still got a lot of time. Obviously, the break of the low there is ages away, so. Nobody in the soup on gold. Not yet, Mr. Bry. No closure yet, but if it does close in 10 minutes, I think it'll be good. Did you get it on the 5? Even that 5-minute didn't close below really either, so. Take a buy, trading the flip may be wrong as there's only one candle closure above the resistance. Would you take a fake out if it closes below? Yep. I think I will. We'll see though. I want to see how this 30-minute does because I really think it's just making a low wick to then reflip and break this high. So even if this breaks the 50-minute low, I'm still going to watch it. I'm not going to delete it straight away because it could be just the 30 making the low wick. Realistically, the retest is there, which is 6 pips away. If it starts coming below there, then yeah, it's really rejecting them highs. Yeah, GJ's doing sweet fuck all. Sweet fuck all. Little M as well in the 1 minute. Wasn't really at resistance. It was a bit higher up, but still interesting. Can we say if it's a fake out even though we are bullish? Wait, what? It's not a fake out yet. Nothing's closed. Nothing's closed yet. When it's closed, then 100% it's a fake out on the 15, but it wouldn't be a fake out on the 30 yet, right? Because the 30 hasn't closed either. Is this stopped? Fucking class volume on Goldie though this morning. Look at the 5 minutes, so clean. Clean as a whistle. There's the lower wick. Yep, that's where it's just tapped. It's where we just tapped. It's where I want it to come, really, the lower wick. So good stuff. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Stop. 18 pips, 27 gain. Very nice. There's an ascending trend line. We will see. We will see. How long we got left? Yeah, 6 minutes left. 6 minutes left for the closure on the 15. Fucking hell, my whole TikTok's full of just messy, messy, messy. Messy, messy. Do. That's so sick. Aguero was bloody there as well, man. What a G. Aguero! Yeah, people say that Messi will retire, like he might retire. No, he won't. If he knows he's got a couple more years in him, why would he stop? Because all of his stats will be stagnated and he won't, you know, people might be able to break it. If he's got another 2 or 3 years, fucking use it, man. Is he 36 or 35? People are just saying though, like, obviously it's the height of his career, but it's like, yeah, we still got things to do. Last international game, yeah, that's fair. People are saying that Messi's 55. Okay. I've been executed into a trade over here. Stop loss is 18 pips. Dum 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 dum. No 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 no. So mad that they retire so early, isn't it? But it's just how fucking damaging it is on their legs and shit. I've seen some tackles that Messi's been in, and my god, my knees are buckled. Like proper, like fucking meaty tackles. I'm like, oh my god. Beep, 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 beep. So 8:43, perfect. Look at GJ, still not really doing anything. Not doing too much. Oh. Do 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 do. I wonder about like what age are other sports as well. Going for smoke when I'll be back. Going, gold better be floating. 50-minute closed. 50-minute closed. Bearish, but still above my zone. Rip lol. $420,000? Oh my god. That's a big help. GJ's still not doing anything. Because no stop loss, oh my god. It's not a competition. So yeah, if this closes back below, then the sells may be working out. We'll see though. It's not competition. Yeah, so the whole crypto thing that the guy was doing for Logan Paul was the fucking zoo. What was it called? Zoology or some shit. People lost so much money on it as well. Like he interviewed people. Some guy lost 400k on it. Oh my god. So coming down over here. It's a shame also that Messi doesn't fucking speak much English. Like, his interviews are all in fucking... Does he speak Spanish? He must do. He's in Barcelona for such a young age. To be fair, what isn't the Argentina language even like? I don't even know what it like sounds like. What's it similar to? No idea. It's Spanish? Fuck off. Is it actually Spanish or is it like Spanish? Ten minutes left for this 30 to close. Know your history. Anyone I've spoken with Messi knows that he does not speak Spanish but Argentinian, or rather Rosarino. Yeah, GG's doing still sweet fuck all. He speaks fluent Russian? What? It is Spanish. Ah. Man, I'd love to learn a language, but that shit is hard, man. Learning that stuff when you're a kid is so much easier. Typical gold. Yeah, it's just slow at the moment, but we'll see. Gold tapped us in reverses. We are used to this. Every time we get in a trade, gold start making 5-minute ugly wicks. It doesn't move. Especially in December, yeah. Oh, man. It's time for some yoga. Holy shit, my legs. My legs are sore. Last 6 minutes of this 30. Good rejection wicks on the 15. Oh my god, Goldie. Where is your volume, brother? Another swing trade. Yeah, guys. I'll turn the stream on when we get back to moving in 4 hours' time. We'll take a look at that chart in a second. So that's 745 again where gold's pushed. I know, I was like 8, yeah. 8 o'clock. Very slow now, yeah, bro. So slow. It's been like this through London. They have a little push and then it kind of just doesn't really do anything. Our break evens have had from this. Sudden flip then hits the plus is the biggest pain. Yeah. Should be no pain, man. Should know what you're getting into, brother. Shame that just taps us in though, and no actual wick fill yet, but anyway. Oh, it's looking dark outside, shit. It's too chilly, getting cold now, like. But it's still better than the fucking summer, man. I was dying there. That was nasty.
Have nice yourself.
Oh, what's that guy? Question of the day is water wet and what is the correct way to eat cereal? Water is wet. Cereal, it's 100% fucking cereal first, then milk. I want milk. I want the milk to be filling the whole thing, man. And I couldn't estimate that. I don't have any of the thing in. Tick up, tick down. Yeah. It's slow, man. 2 minutes left, and then the hourly has to make a lower wick. It's literally happened all this fucking month. Come on. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. 40 seconds left, not the best, because obviously the hourly has to make a lower wick. Hopefully it doesn't though, because last candles have made some good rejection wicks. So it shouldn't really need to. It's come and retested the body of the previous Asian high, so... minute closed above, so it just needs a celery play and that'll be great. 50-minute closed also strong, so still looking good. Just needs to make it slow wick and go. Is your break-even point the wick fill? Yeah, I think so. We'll see, because if it dries, it dries. I don't want to get a break-even from this, to be honest. The zone's too clean. Hourly closed above. Also hourly closed above Asian high, which Brian also likes. break of the Asian closure. Fifty-eight minutes left for the 4-hour 2. How the 5 minutes look good. Support forming. Oh, this is painful. This is when as well, like, especially when you're learning, like, you're like, oh, I could just close with a little bit of profit. But, you know, when this starts going, if it does start going and breaks them highs, these salaries here, you're going to get a nice drive. It's just if it does it. It really should. The zone's clean. Good 50-minute support forming. Monday morning. The fucking volume, come on. It's Christmas, damn it. It's gonna pay for my roasties and my goose fat. Come on. Come on. Two pips TP, what I say. Didn't break the high still yet. Ah! Do you know when you're in a trade for so long and it just gets boring? Come on, brother. Make your low wick of the hourly. Let's go. 1800, good psychological level as well. Just get going. It's irritating. Wow. I'll push at the high if it gets there. Yeah. If it gets there. If you're not in already, I'd say the break of this is 30-minute high, so break above 1797.4 and then you'll be good. Hola, hermano. Hola. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? Jeez, what buys anyone? To the highs. The volume is pretty pathetic though. Yep. Como estás? Muy bien, muy bien. Let's get a nice push up to break those. Yeah. Lord have mercy. What the fuck? I'm out of break even, don't have time for this. Yeah. Seven minutes left of this 15. So it's okay. But you just want to break that 30. When it does, though, it'll be good. See what I said there? When? It's gonna do it. Still have. Give me the fucking celery, you cunt! Break the high. Break the high. I was blue for a millisecond. Here we go. Here we go. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Still in the volume? Nah, it's coming, don't worry. Nice, Paulie, nice. I'm not gonna go break even yet. I'm pretty happy with this continuing. I'm getting too many break evens recently. The zone's clean, so. Do, 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 do. All good, Paulie. Busy man, busy man. Busy times too, man. Kids are off, innit? Kids off now? Yeah, 19th. Beautiful 5-minute closure. Yep, above as well, which is good. Look at GJ go. Wow, yeah. 5-minute time frames pushing up. Very nice. When it breaks that high as well, we'll be breaking 30-minute highs, hourly highs, 4-hour highs, daily highs. So breaking all of them at once as well, which will then finally give you a push to 1800. Supposed to break even? I'm not yet, but you can if you don't like it, you know. I'd go for it, but I'm gonna wait for this 15 to close. I move candle to current candle hour. Wait, what? Current 1 hour candle? Yeah, you could do, yeah. Yep. That's reasonable. Minute close bullish on my terminal, bearish on the thing. It's okay. To look at the 30-minute time frame, still on. Okay, so in terms of the trade now, yeah, it's kind of closed back below, not really the best. So I think for me personally here, I'm going to move my stops. 1796.3. dum. $1796.3. Yeah, so in terms of risk management, guys, just going through it as a group, right? What have we done here? Well, stop loss was on the previous 15/30, which was around about 19 pips. Now we've minimized it to the previous 15, which is an 8 pip stop, 7-8 pip stop. So really good risk management now. And that's all she wrote. %. This fucking volume, man. How mad is that? Like, massive strong candles comes to a clean zone. Nope. Not for Christmas today. So in terms of stops, I've reduced the stops nearly by 2/3. So really good risk management. But didn't do it on emotion, just did it on what the candles are giving me. 50 minutes on previous, so the stops on 30-minute low, hourly low. So that's what you gotta do. But if you've got a break even there too, also really good risk management. Give yourself a pat on the back. As long as you've got a risk management, this is what I wanted. Finally can risk manage. But without using emotion, just using candles. Oh, banks, stop hunting. Stop hunting. It'll break it eventually, it's just when's it going to do it? Is it going to be in the time? We'll see. Markets are still in no nut November. Yeah, they are. No nut December. No nut December. Look at fucking GJ as well. There's a nice actually doji candle on the 30 as well. Yeah, that's nice. So you could have ran that to at least there. Yeah, you've got 12 pips out of it. 12 pip stop. Nice. Shame I was looking at fucking gold. Make sure to give it a like, guys. Showing you some good risk management today. It's unfortunate we just haven't got the volume, but it's a beautiful trade idea. Just the way it's moving is very slow. Maybe it's because it's, you know, end of the year, slowing down. But I'd still take this every fucking day. And I think once it gets going, it breaks some highs. We're going to be going straight to 1800 very nicely. So it's worth it. 19th. Gold. Stop loss was 19. So let's just say, right, stop loss is 19 and we close here if it doesn't work out at 8. Let's just say close at -8, -8, 0.59. So really, really good management there. Damn these swing trades. Innit? Fuck, I'm gonna have to pay some swap fees in a sec. Go, you cunt. Seven minutes left of this candle. Five-minute coming back up. Which month had the highest gains? It was April. April 37. Fucking rocket from GJ, eh? Nice. Max is nailing that vape. The more you vape, the more gold he moves. It's scientific fact. $37 pips? No, 37%. I don't give a fuck about pips. Pips are just a measurement. If anyone's saying we cooked 400 or 500 pips, I don't give a shit. You could have had a 500 pip stop, so you only made 1% if you risked 1% on the trade. You know, it's got to be the percentage. I risk 1.4% per trade. Look at the fucking candles that we've had. Look at the candles before. Oh my god. Oh. TJ just kept going. I know, what the fuck? Nice. Too much rejection for me? Yeah, 100%. If you feel like that, just take it off. After all this time on gold, I'm ready to take the L, but not going to break even. Well, 100%, right? If you take break even, then you don't want to take the L. And if you're happy with your stops, I'm still giving it room. I still think gold will potentially continue up here. Which is how you do. I'm happy losing a minus 0.5 for like it's going to be like a 3-point-something% gain. So I'm kind of happy with that. And especially if we come back up to 1798.5, we break that level, we're going to be pretty good, I think. But if it doesn't, then that's fine. You got to do what you need to do, what you think is right. For me, there's not been a candle close that's bad. There's been a 30-minute celery, which is still happening right now. The 30 minutes is going to close bullish above, so it's fine. Da-dam. Yeah, it's just slow, man. Minute closed. Yeah, a lot of rejection wicks. Look, GJ, look, GJ. Yeah, GJ was nice. I think GJ was nice there, though, to be honest. You better start chucking that thing. I'm not asked. It's a risk manage. As long as I can risk manage, I'm not asked. It's a part of the game, boy. I hate the black and volume. If you're holding full stops, though, that's silly, man. You gotta manage it, 100%. You gotta manage it. So then later on for NY session, yeah, I'm just gonna wait until see if any volume comes later on. But I will never. If this closes below, I still don't think I'm going to take the sells. There's just no volume. And I always say that if your first trade didn't work out and you got a beautiful entry and all that kind of stuff, then it's probably the chart's fault. Still in it. Did break the low, but I'm still in it. Skin of my teeth. And now I'm... Oh no, still in it. Still in it. Out small L rejection makes me feel full 100%, man. Yeah, just didn't have the juice. It got the juices. We'll see though. Still in it. Oh. It's time for yoga. The yoga session. Come back up, made the low wick, but yeah, it's just wick central. Geoclose at res 3, not taking the buy. Yeah. Have to agree there. There's no reason to exit the trade for me until the candle closes below the level. 100%. 100%. These fucking candles, bro. Lord have mercy. Reflipping, rejected again, so... Take a look at the lower time frames. So the hourly's made the low wick again. 30-minute timer has also made its lower wick. I'm out 30 minutes later going to a barbecue party. Oh, very nice. Barbecue party? Very nice. I'm going to clean this flat, I think, today from the party we had on the weekend. That's my chores for the day. Yeah, it's mad, man. I mean, it's the second we get in, it just doesn't really do anything. 30 still all closed above my zone. Hourly still there. 22 minutes left for this hourly. Make sure you like the stream there, guys. I know it's been a boring morning, but we'll see what we can get over here. We'll see what we can get. How close did I come? Fucking hell. So I hit 3.6. My stop's at 3.0. 3.0. It's gonna be nearly 10 o'clock. Fuck me. Swing trader. We're in a swing trade over here, guys. I don't swing that way, brother. Me too. Oh, God. And we're out. After all that. That was the most painful experience of my entire life. Yeah, like 8. Okay, so Max, why didn't you take 10 pips? Because my stop was 20 and the zone above is clean. So I think this will be my last trade for the year. Yeah, I mean, to be honest with you, I'm going to watch it now. But to be fair, it was nice before, but just fuck, look at that. So let's just update over here. 1 second. So the trade got out at minus 8.8, I think it was. So minus 0.65, yeah. So there we go. Rejected. Let's take a look at the gold now. So yeah, I mean, coming back below the Asian lows, but just a sheer lack of volume there, which... And for people going, well, why did you, like, you know, why did you enter the trade if you know it was a lack of volume? Well, I didn't, right? That's the issue, right? Look at the candles before, such strong, nice closures above. Really strong candles, nice wick fill, and we just sat here for fucking ages. So yeah, it's nothing really you can really do apart from managing risk. But yeah. So yeah, I'm going to leave it off over here, guys. Not looking at taking any more gold trades. If the gold closes below, it should really fill the zone, but with the volume, I mean maybe in the 15 you could do. Let's take a look at the 15. Be a 16 pip stop, the zone's 50. Just the way it's moving, like look at that, it's just jumped back up. Yeah, I'm fucking leaving this shit. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for coming on. Sorry it wasn't a dub this morning, but I would take that trade fucking blindfolded. And it may probably continue up, but in the candles that I was given, hell no. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for coming in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, squad. See you later, guys. See you later for NY session. See what we can get there, but yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna be a bit cautious to this volume now because that was nasty. So you guys, thank you so much for coming on. Peace out. See you later, squad. Don't let me in, lost 450,000. See you later, guys. Happy Christmas as well. Coming towards it. Beautiful stuff. See you later, guys. Peace out. Adios, amigos.